Hi everyone, this is Asma of Starlight Guidance and I welcome you all to this light influx transmission. This will be a short transmission that will provide you with the grounding energies of Gaia, followed by an influx of light through sounds that will lift your spirits right up. So take a moment to get ready by opening your heart. Make a connection with Gaia. Make a connection with the starlight portal you see on the screen. Take a deep breath and enjoy the energies you are about to receive.
Rumdanehi ane turahi meda ayamehi mahe rumdaniya iyamehu muhari yamehi huna ayameu yahora ayemi miha anuhari miya maheri huna turamehi ayetu mihari huna ayameti yamehi andora miha tia muhe muhari muya andaroma tieni ametu yahe rumdamaha yanohi kurdami mate undaho iandumeha tukara miatura ayane hurda miakura hai ramduna kianu urda miaku hayandura miatura Sundaheri akura mi rumdaya niatu andora miakura hi amukuhu ramiati rumdayanu teanu rumdahi kuteria kuturuku hura nikaru mandia rumania doriamiku Sundari Mahiyanu Sundari Hundaya.
I hope you have enjoyed this light influx transmission by Starlight Guidance. If you wish to receive more of my energy transmissions, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm sending you lots of love. Enjoy your day and until next time.